What are you doing Saturday, May 23rd? If you're a speaker, presenter, Toastmaster in New Zealand, you simply must join us for this special online event. Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix, world champion of public speaking, invited to help you online, virtually, for this special District 72 event. Why me? In 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, where I outspoke 25,000 contestants to become the world champion of public speaking. But trust me, I didn't do it alone. I had coaches and teachers that showed me the way, and I tried to figure it out myself. DIY, do it yourself. One of my mentors, Mike Rayburn, said, when you're a DIYer, the problem is the teacher's not that good. So I needed teachers and coaches, and I'm coming to this online event, this special event for District 72, to show you how to deliver unforgettable presentations. How do you be unforgettable? I'll show you the keys and the secrets that I learned the hard way so you don't have to. So join us for this special District 72 online event. I'll see you online. Join us.